In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Evernote to Obsidian. We'll walk through exporting your notes from Evernote and importing them into Obsidian using the Importer Community plugin. By the end, your notes will be in clean Markdown inside your vault with attachments carried over. You'll just need Obsidian installed and a vault ready on your computer, plus an export of your Evernote notes. I'll go slowly and point out a few tips so the move feels smooth and predictable. First, make sure you download your Evernote notes. In Evernote, export your notes or notebooks to the standard Emacs format, which is what the importer understands. If you have several notebooks, it can be helpful to export them as separate Emacs files so you preserve structure during the move and keep the import manageable. Include attachments when you export so images and files come across. Save the Emacs file or files somewhere easy to find, like your desktop or a dedicated migration folder, so you can grab them quickly during the import. With your export ready, switch over to Obsidian and open the vault where you want these notes to live. Open Settings from the sidebar or the app menu. Inside Settings, find Community Plugins. Obsidian will remind you that community plugins are third-party add-ons. Go ahead and allow them so we can use the importer. This doesn't change your notes, it just lets Obsidian run the tool we need. Once community plugins are enabled, you'll see options to manage, browse, and update them from this same panel. Click Browse to open the plugin directory and use the search box to look for Importer. You're after the plugin named Importer that handles bringing content from other apps into Obsidian. Click Install, then click Enable to activate it. After enabling, close the settings window. On the left side of Obsidian in the ribbon or sidebar, you'll now see a new Importer entry. Click it to open the Importer panel. This is where you'll tell Obsidian what kind of file you're bringing in and which files to use. In the Importer panel, choose File Format and select Evernote from the list. That tells the plugin to expect Emacs files. Next, click Choose Files. Navigate to the location where you saved your Evernote export, select the Emacs file or files you created, and open them. If you exported multiple notebooks separately, you can select several Emacs files at once. The importer reads them and prepares to convert each note into Markdown, placing attachments like images and PDFs into an attachments folder inside your vault so everything stays organized. When you're ready, click Import. Obsidian will begin processing the Emacs files, creating Markdown notes, and copying reference files. The time this takes depends on how many notes you have and the size of your attachments. You can keep an eye on the progress in the Importer panel. When the import is complete, click Done. Now, browse your Vault's folders and open a few notes to spot check the results. Confirm that images display, links work, and note titles look right. If anything seems off, you can rerun the import on a specific Emacs file or tidy up file names inside Obsidian. That's the entire move. Export from Evernote, enable the Importer plugin in Obsidian, select Evernote as the format, choose your Emacs files, import, and finish up. You've successfully transitioned your notes to Obsidian, ready to take advantage of fast search, backlinks, and markdown editing without leaving anything behind.